Hello guys, so today we have TP-Link AC 1200 C6 Archer router. So this router comes with mesh technology and MU-MIMO technology. It's the specialty of this router. This router is available on Amazon and Flipkart and also in the retail stores with the price range of 2500 to 3000 rupees. This router comes with a 3 years of warranty. Let's look at the box content here. So what we get in the box is first the router itself, and then a quick installation guide, and also a Cat 5e Ethernet cable and a power adapter. So let's take a look at the router. This comes with a simple polythene packing and this looks very nice. This has a very pretty design and a mesh like structure here and a TP-Link badging. As you can see, it looks very nice. And we have here 4 Wi-Fi antennas which are 180 degrees rotatable, and it comes with plastic packaging as well. So at the back side of the router you can find a power button, a DC input port, a WAN port, 4 LAN ports and a WPS and a reset switch. Also from that switch you can turn Wi-Fi on and off. In the bottom of the router we have a ventilation grill, Wi-Fi credentials and 2 wall mounting holes, also 4 standoffs. To start the router, you just have to plug in the DC power adapter pin. The router LEDs will glow as per the status, and then you can open the web portal of router, or else you can open the TP-Link Tether app for this setup. To turn on the MU-MIMO feature of this router, you need to turn it on from the web portal or the app. Speaking about the range of the router, it's pretty nice. It covers the whole house area. Almost 2000 square feet of my house is covered in this router's range. And speaking of the speed is also very nice. The speed maximum I'm having 100 Mbps of internet connection, and maximum it is giving 99 Mbps speed. So speed loss is also not there. Enabling the MU-MIMO feature doesn't makes this speed loss using at the multiple device simultaneously. So there are many more features in this router web page. You can explore it from the portal and the app itself. So for the TP-Link Tether app, it's very convenient to use and it's very user friendly also. So friends, this can be the best gigabit router for you in the budget range of 2500 to 3000. It's up to you. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart or also from the retail stores. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.